Number 1. Waking Seva. During Brahma Muhurta time, 2 hours before sunrise, on Brinda's order, the male and female myna birds, parrots, peacocks, cuckoos, and doves start sweetly singing to arouse Radha Madhav. Hearing the birds, I, in my beautiful transcendental body, as Srimati Radharani's loyal maidservant, quickly get up and prepare for Priyaji's personal services. Number 2, Darshan Seva. Going to the nearby groves outside the Nikunj, I wake up Gaurangi's gopis, bringing them to Sri Sri Radha Krishna. I show them the charming vision of the disheveled sporting pair sleeping on their flower bed. Three, Radha's hair seva. Sri Radhika becomes startled, however, by the ecstatic whispering of all the Sakhis peeping inside the kunj. Waking up suddenly, Sundari tries to rise from the flower bed, but she cannot, because her hair, necklaces, and other ornaments are entangled with Krishna's. Tiptoeing into the kunj, I quickly and expertly untie all the knots. 4. Painting Seva. When Radha Madhav want to paint pictures on each other, I hand them paint brushes and stand beside them holding a small golden tray containing freshly prepared sandalwood pulp, musk, kumkum, etc. 5. Ornaments Seva. When Yugal Kishore want to decorate each other, I hand them pearl necklaces, jeweled ornaments, flower garlands, and other decorations. 6. Mangal Artik Seva. After Radha Govinda dress, I devotedly offer Mangal Arati by waving various auspicious presentations before them. 7. Going home Seva. When Gandharvika leaves the garden grove to return home, I walk behind her, carrying a tray of nicely prepared betel nuts and a golden water jug. 8. Prasadi Seva. When the pearl necklaces and other ornaments break off and fall from Radha's neck as she rushes home, I pick them up, tie them in my sari, and later repair them to share that rasa-laden Radha Prasadi with her Sakhis. Prasadi Seva. with her beautiful golden hand, Pranapriya Radha lovingly rewards me with her own Pan Prasadi, which I then later share with all the Sundari Sakhis. 10. Resting Seva. As soon as Radha arrives in Yavat or Barshana just before sunrise, I immediately and affectionately lay Lajavati in her bed. Then I go to rest in a special bedroom set aside for Devi's Dasis, we Manjaris.